Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Visual C++ for your Windows in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to go into your browser. I am choosing Google Chrome. You can choose any of your preferable browser. And then you just need to come over into the search screen, and then you need to search for Microsoft. So click on the first Microsoft Visual C++, click on that, and then you will get our first link called learn.microsoft.com. Click on this latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable downloads, click on that. And then you will come over this website, scroll down a little bit, and then you will find this latest Microsoft Visual C++ option over here. So from here, you will get an architecture called ARM64 and x86 and x64. So how you know which architecture you build in your Windows? So for that, you just need to come over into the search option and search for system information. You will get this first one, click on that. And then from here, you just need to search for system types. You can see it's x64 based PC. In here, if it's 86, then click on this 86, or it is ARM64, then click on ARM64. But mine is x64, as you can see, ARM64. For that, I will going to click on this link over here, and after a very short time, it will start downloading. Only 24.3 MB, and it will take some of seconds. After completing the download, you just need to click on this folder icon over here, and you can see here is your VC Redist x64. So click on it 2 times. And there will be a permission, and click I agree to the license terms and the conditions, click install, click yes for the permission, and here you can see that it's processing and installing into your Windows. And after a very short time, the setup is successful, and that you can see you must restart your computer before you can use the software. So if you want to use it, you just need to simply click on restart, or you can click on close and restart later when you want. But if you want to use this software, you need to must restart your computer as that noticed. So this is how you can download and install Visual C++ into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.